During the COVID time, Nifty has corrected from 12,000 to till 7,500. In that time, if someone has told you market will again recover and market will hit 18,000 mark, if that is the case, you would have loved that person. But trust me friends, predicting the market, it is not at all possible for anybody. Timing the market, it is not at all possible. That's the beauty of stock market. Hello friends, this is Vijay and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon because you'll be getting lot more update with regards to investment. Friends, in this video, I'm going to discuss about currently Nifty is trading lifetime high, Sensex is trading at lifetime high. Many investors, they are confused about whether to buy or whether to sell or whether to exit from the market. So at last, I'm going to discuss about what is the strategy as an investor. I'm going to discuss at last. Friends, before that, I would like to discuss about history of Indian stock market. Friends, we can learn a lot from stock market history. During the 2000, because of Y2K rally, Sensex is touched almost all 5,000 point. And many people said that 5,000 is a very expensive level and market cannot grow further. Just assume that if you have invested at peak also, later because of dot-com bubble, market has corrected almost all 40%. If you are invested at peak, your portfolio will be almost all 40% negative. But later market record a lot. But where is Sensex today? Sensex is currently trading at 62,000 mark. If you have invested at peak also during 2000, you would have generated almost all 12 times return. Friends, what I'm trying to say is, in that time, that in 2000, that 5,000 mark may be an expensive level. But today, if you look back, that is the very discounted level. In the same way, currently what Sensex is trading at 62,000 mark, that is maybe a currently expensive level. But after 5 years or after 10 years, it's going to be a very discounted level. Friends, I would like to give one more example. During the 2007, because of housing bubble, market has rallied a lot and Sensex touched to the highs of 20,000 mark. And many people said that 20,000 is a very expensive level and market cannot grow further. Just assume that if you have invested at peak also, later because of recession, market has corrected almost all 40%. If you have invested at peak, then your portfolio value will be almost all 40% negative. But where is Sensex today? Currently it is trading at 62,000 mark. Friends, what I'm trying to say is again and again, currently Sensex, whatever is trading 62,000 mark, currently it may be expensive. After 5 years and 10 years, it's going to be a very discounted level. Friends, the beauty of stock market is we cannot predict the market. We cannot time the market. That's the beauty of stock market. Friends, as investors, irrespective of any levels, we should always remain invested for a long term. So because our investment will get average, that's the reason we should always remain invested irrespective of any levels. Friends, whenever market reaches new highs, there are two kind of people. Some people say that market cannot sustain here and it's going to correct. And some people say that market will touch new highs. If you ask them what is the reason, they will not be having any solid reason. They will be saying on a probability basis. It's not a guarantee. Friends, as investors, during this bull run or during the market highs, what is the investment strategy? What needs to be done? Friends, I have two suggestions. The first one is, so if you have started your stock market investment journey recently and you are investing into stocks and mutual fund in a systematic manner, then you no need to worry about market ups and downs. You can remain invested for a long term. You can continue your systematic investment journey for some more days until you reach your financial goals. The second type of investors, just assume that you have been investing into stock market, mutual fund over the last 10-15 years and you have invested very heavily then you can book some 70 to 80 percentage profit and sit in cash. You should not exit from the stock market 100 percentage, because if tomorrow again market reaches new highs, you will regret your decision. That's the reason you should not exit from the market 100 percentage. Friends, I hope you find this video useful. If you like this video, please to subscribe, please to share it with your community. If you want to learn more about investment from the scratch, you can explore my online course. Thank you.